Accounting and Finance for Managers, Cost Accounting and Management Accounting. Hello students, welcome to the lecture on Cost Accounting and Management Accounting. After this lecture, you will be able to learn the following objectives. Understand the meaning of cost accounting, explain the importance of cost accounting, define the advantages and limitation of cost accounting, discuss the differences between financial and cost accounting, describe standards effects on business management. Introduction. Now let us start with concept of cost accounting. Cost accounting information is designed for managers. Since managers are taking decision only for their own organization, there is no need for the information to be comparable to similar information from other organizations. Cost accounting information is commonly used in financial accounting information, but first we are concentrating in its use by managers to take decisions. The accountants who handle the cost accounting information add value by providing good information to managers who are taking decision. Meaning and scope of cost accounting. Cost accounting is the process of determining and accumulating the cost of product or activity. It is a process of accounting for the incurrence and the control of costs. It also covers classification, analysis and interpretation of costs. It is an internal aspect of the organization. A type of accounting process that aims to capture a company's cost of production by assessing the input cost of each step of production as well as fixed costs such as depreciation of capital equipment. Cost accounting can be most beneficial as a tool for management in budgeting and in setting up cost control programs which can improve net margins for the company in the future. Scope of cost accounting. Following functional activities are included in the scope of cost accounting. Cost bookkeeping. It involves maintaining complete record of all costs incurred from their incurrence to their charge to departments, products and services. Such recording is preferably done on the basis of double entry system, cost system. System and procedures are devised for proper accounting for cost. Cost ascertainment. Ascertaining costs of products, processes, jobs, services, etc. is the important function of cost accounting. Cost ascertainment becomes the basic of managerial decision making such as pricing, planning and control. Cost analysis. It involves the process of finding out the causal factors of actual costs varying from the budgeting cost and fixation of responsibility for cost increases. Cost comparison. Cost accounting also includes comparison between costs from alternative courses of action such as use of technology for production, cost of making different products and activities over a period of time. Cost control. Cost accounting is the utilization of cost information for exercising control. It involves a detailed examination of each cost in the light of benefit derived from the incurrence of the cost. Cost reports. Presentation of costs is the ultimate function of cost accounting. These reports are primarily for use by the management at different levels. Cost reports form the basic of a planning and control, performance appraisal and managerial decision making. Objectives of cost accounting. Cost accounting has the following main objectives to serve. Determining selling price. The objective of determining the cost of product is of main importance in cost accounting. The total product cost and cost per unit of product are important in deciding selling price of product. Cost accounting provides information regarding the cost to make and sell product or services. Controlling cost. Cost accounting helps in attaining aim of controlling costs by using various techniques such as budgeting control, standard costing and inventory control. Each item of cost is budgeted at the beginning of the period and actual expenses incurred are compared with the budget. Providing information for decision making. Cost accounting helps the management in providing information for managerial decision for formulating operative policies. These policies relate to the following matters: determination of cost, volume, profit relationship, make or buy a component, shut down or continue operation at a loss, continuing with the existing machinery or replacing them by improved and economical machines, ascertaining costing profit. Cost accounting helps in ascertaining the costing profit or loss of any activity on an objective basis by matching cost with the revenue of the activity, facilitating preparation of financial and other statements. Cost accounting helps to produce statements at short intervals as the management may require. The financial statements are prepared generally once a year or half year to meet the needs of the management. In order to operate the business at high efficiency, it is essential for management to have a review of production, sales and operating results. Importance of cost accounting. The importance of cost accounting is as follows.
About responsibilities of a cost accountant. Cost accounting is a specialized branch of accounting which involves classification, accumulation, assignment and control of money. Some of the prominent duties are as follows. Decision about the funds. A cost accountant is responsible for collating and analyzing all financial information related to an organization. This helps managers make a better decision on planning and controlling the funds. Estimation of costs. Cost accountants prepare the actual and expected estimation costs of the company. They also cover the costs required on sales, materials, production, costing development, and so on. In addition, cost accountants prepare actual and expected cost estimation. They also make reports to prepare the actual cost of production. Monitoring of purchase orders. A cost accountant's job involves knowledge of purchasing policies, its processing and procedure, as well as monitoring purchase order. They should make sure that no orders of raw materials are placed unnecessarily. You need to have effective communication skills. It's very important that product cost or cost changes are effectively communicated, as these products are used to value for the product pricing on commodities or purchase of goods. Thus, cost accountants must be detail-oriented and they have to possess excellent written and oral skills. Maintaining the data. It is the duty of the cost accountant to maintain a strong system of internal control to ensure the safeguard of assets, balance sheet accounts, provide appropriate cost and variance details, look after auditing and maintaining the cost systems, capital expenditure of the company, and so on. You need to have very good negotiation skills. A cost accountant should also have the skills to negotiate the best vendor terms, pricing and delivery based on specific budget schedule and so on. You need to be adept at resolving accountancy related issues. It is necessary for a cost accountant to identify and solve issues related to accountancy through proper budgeting, cost control, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and so on. They need to have very strong decision-making skills and the ability to exercise independent judgment.
Importance to management. Cost accounting provides invaluable help to management. It is difficult to indicate where the work of cost accountant ends and manager control begins. The advantages are as follows. Helps in ascertainment of costs. Cost accounting helps the management in the ascertainment of costs of process, product, job, contract, activity by using different techniques such as job costing and process costing. Aids in price fixation by using demand and supply activities of competitors. Market condition to a great extent also determines the price of product and cost to the producer. does play an important role. The producer can take necessary help from his costing records. Helps in cost reduction. Costs can be reduced in the long run when cost reduction program and improved methods are tried to reduce costs. Elimination of wastage. As it is possible to know the cost of product at every stage, it becomes possible to check the forms of waste such as time and expenses, etc. are in the use of machine equipment and material. Helps in identifying unprofitable activities. With the help of cost accounting, the unprofitable activities are identified so that the necessary correct action may be taken. Helps in checking the accuracy of financial account. Cost accounting helps in checking the accuracy of financial account with the help of reconciliation of the profit as per financial accounts with the profit as per cost account. Helps in fixing selling prices. It helps the management in fixing selling prices of product by providing detailed cost information. Helps in inventory control. Cost furnishes control which management requires in respect of stock of material, work in progress and finished goods. Helps in estimate. Costing records provide a reliable basis upon which tender and estimates may be preferred. Importance to employees. Worker and employees have an interest in which they are employed. An efficient costing system benefits employees through incentives plan in their enterprise, etc. As a result, both the productivity and earning capacity increases. Cost accounting and creditors. Suppliers, investors, financial institutions and other money lenders have a stake in the success of the business concern and therefore are benefited by installation of an efficient costing system. They can base their judgment about the profitability and prospect of the enterprise upon the studies and reports submitted by the cost accountant. Importance to national economy. An efficient costing system benefits national economy by stepping up the government revenue by achieving higher production. Database for operating policy. Cost accounting offers a thoroughly analyzed cost data which forms the basic of formulating policy regarding day-to-day business such as whether to make or buy decision from outside, whether to shut down or continue producing and selling at below cost, whether to repair an old plant or to replace it. Advantages of cost accounting. Important advantages of a cost accounting system may be listed as below. A good cost accounting system helps in identifying unprofitable activities, losses or inefficiencies in any form. The application of cost reduction techniques, operation research techniques and value analysis technique and helps in achieving the objective of economy in concerns operations. Cost accounting is useful for identifying the exact causes for decrease or increase in the profit and loss of the business. It also helps in identifying unprofitable products or product lines so that these may be eliminated or alternative measures may be taken. Cost accounting is quite useful for price fixation. It serves as a guide to test the adequacy of selling prices. The price determined may be useful for preparing estimates or filling tenders. The use of cost accounting technique, namely variance analysis, points out the deviation from the predetermined level and thus demand suitable action to eliminate such deviation in future. The cost of idle capacity can be easily worked out when a concern is not working to full capacity. The marginal cost has linear relationship with production volume and hence in formulating and solving linear programming problems, marginal cost is useful. Limitation of cost accounting. The limitation of cost accounting are as follows. It is expensive because analysis, allocation and observation of overheads require considerable amount of additional work. The results shown by cost accounts differ from those shown by financial accounts. Preparation of reconciliation statements frequently is necessary to verify their accuracy. This leads to unnecessary increase in workload. It is unnecessary because it involves duplication of work. Some industrial units are functioning efficiently without any costing system. Costing system itself does not control costs. If the management is alert and efficient, it can control costs without the help of the cost accounting. Therefore, it is unnecessary. Difference between financial and cost accounting. The difference between financial accounting and cost accounting are as follows. Objective. Financial accounting. It provides information about the financial performance and financial position of the business. Cost accounting. It provides information of ascertainment of cost to control cost and for decision making about the cost. Nature. Financial accounting. It classifies records, presents and interprets transaction in terms of money. Cost accounting. It classifies records, presents and interprets in a significant manner the material, labor and overhead cost. Recording of data. Financial accounting. It records historical data. Cost accounting. It also records and presents the estimated budgeted data. It makes use of both the historical cost and predetermined cost. Users of information. Financial accounting. The users of financial accounting statements are shareholders, creditors, financial analysts and government and its agencies. Cost accounting. The cost accounting information is used by internal management at different levels. Analyst of cost and profit. Financial accounting. It shows the profit and loss of the organization. Cost accounting. It provides the details of cost and profit of each product, process, job and contracts. Time period. Financial accounting. Financial statements are prepared for a definite period, usually a year. Cost accounting. Its report and statements are prepared as and when required. Presentation of information. Financial accounting. A set of format is used for presenting financial information. Cost accounting. There are no set formats for presenting cost information. Standards effects on business management. This new competitive environment requires companies' ability to create value for their customers and to differentiate themselves from their competitors through the formulation of a clear business strategy. Business strategy must be supported by appropriate organizational factors such as effective manufacturing process, organizational design, and accounting information system too. International competition through e-commerce and demand-based supply chain management dominate business. It is important for companies to develop coherent and consistent business strategies and to utilize management accounting tools to support strategic planning, decision-making and control. Business management requires that resource consumption be measured, rated, assigned and communicated between appropriate parties. Managers of businesses use accounting information to set goals for their organizations, to evaluate their progress towards those goals and to take corrective actions if necessary. Accounting will help a business or organization to keep a proper record of all the financial aspects. Summary. Now in the end, let us summarize what we have learned in the lecture. Cost accounting is a process of determining and accumulating the cost of product or activity. A relationship among information needs of management, cost accounting, objectives and techniques and tools used for analysis in cost accounting. Cost accounting most beneficial as a tool for management in budgeting and in setting up cost control programs which can improve net margins for the company in the future. The total product cost and cost per unit of product are important in deciding selling price of the product. The financial statements are prepared generally once a year or half a year to meet the needs of the management.